Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is the boho, the messy, the boho locks. I'm going to show you guys in this video how I add the shells to it and also how I do the free parting so that way it can flow better, okay? The style is super cute. It turned out so bomb. So yes, guys, that's how it looks. And yeah, we're just going to go ahead and jump into the video. If you don't already know me, my name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor. And I'm a hairstylist in South Carolina. So if you guys ever thought about getting your hair done, make sure you contact me, email me, DM me, whatever you got to do that. But anyways, this is how she's starting off. Her hair is natural. Of course, everybody's pretty much natural nowadays. I am using the vitamin E moisturizer to seal her ends. You guys already know how I am about that. I always use that product, okay? So now that she is moisturized, I am about to use a Shine and Jam. I use a Shine and Jam on the roots of every single one of my clients. It moisturizes and slicks down the roots for natural hair. So I love using this product. Love, love, love using this product. I highly recommend. 10 out of 10, okay? I do not use the Let's Jam. So it's not the same product. That's more of a greasier product. I'm sure you can use it if push came to shove, or even use edge control, but I like to use this. So as far as like when I want the parts to flow better and not be so defined, I like to do half moon parting. That's what I'm doing right now, the half moon parting. Some people call them half moon. Some people call them arc, whatever. Like is that's how it is. To me, I call it a half moon parting because it looks like a half a moon. So everybody call them different things. So call it what you want to call it, but this is how it is. So whenever you're doing them, you're going to want to, do them how you want to do them. And then when you start climbing up above that previous row, make sure you do those half moon partings in between the previous row. That is very important, so that way you don't have so many gaps in so many areas where there isn't any hair or any locks there, okay? That's pretty much the key. So that's what I do. A lot of times when people want a more distressed look and a more freer look, I do these parting. Some people want box parting, rectangle parting. I do those for some people, but for the most part, everybody wants the half moon, especially if they're getting distressed locks. I highly recommend it when you're getting distressed locks if you like that free, messier, bohemian look, okay? So I'm just going to keep on doing this and just watch if you want to watch. This is just like a parting video, and I'm also going to show you guys how I add accessories on the end. So I will talk back to you guys when it's time for the accessories to be added.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a ya, say she give me in a ya. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the pillow wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Fake Kills.
But we finna have a good time, you know. And bomb like them are watching. They're pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Okay, y'all, so it's time for the shells to be added. That's only the accessories I'm going to use. The only accessories are going to be the shells. So the shells don't come with any type of thing to add, any type of metal clip or clamp. So what I am doing is I'm using needle and thread, and I'm attaching the shells to the locks. Okay, I'm using the color that she has in her head, which is black. So I'm using black thread. So that way you're not going to be able to see the black thread attaching the shells to the hair. So like I said, I just like doing a regular needle and some threads, cotton thread, and I like to go through the shell and just attach it to the whole lock. Like, instead of just attaching it on the outside, I kind of like to attach it throughout the whole lock because it's just more durability. I feel like if you attach it to the outside, it's going to like start sliding the lock down. I don't know, maybe it's not, but to me it seems like it would. So that's why I decided to like have the needle go through the entire lock. But yes, guys, I make sure I like double knot it every time I go through, or triple knot it at the end, and then cut the excess off. That is it. Something super simple, but that's the way that you can attach the shells to lock extensions or even box sprays or whatever, especially if they don't come with that clip. And honestly, the little clamp that they come with sometimes, it's like super annoying because it gets attached and stuck to the other braids or the other locks. I really hate it. So she actually came up with this idea. She said one of her other stylists told her that she can attach it by sewing it, and I was like, let me try that, and I tried it and it worked. So I'm so happy that she suggested that to me, because I was like, I'm going to use rubber bands to attach it, but this is way more professional and it was way more secure. So that is how I did it. But yes, guys, that's basically how it turned out. I think I added about like 7 in total. I added a couple of them in the front on the ends, a few of them in the back and on the sides. And that's it. Her hair turned out super, super, super bomb. As you can see, it has so much texture in it. Like, the texture is amazing. I use the Free Tress Water Wave hair. But I just use a different method, which I'm going to show you guys in the next video, which should be dropping tomorrow. On Friday. So yes, guys, of course it's going to be a super detailed video, but in this video I just wanted to show the other things, like adding the accessories and the parting, and explaining how I do the parting and everything like that, and the products that I used. So yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little informative tutorial. Okay, and make sure you subscribe, you guys, and like and comment on this video, and I will talk to you guys in the tutorial of this bomb bob. Okay, all right, guys, talk to you later. Mwah.